So I wanted to request my sister.
Yeah. Humility does not cost you anything. If the father of the tweeting general can apologize to the people of Kenya that I'm sorry for the tweeting general for what he has done, what about you? Why don't you apologize and we go?
Okay, let me, on behalf of government, request my sister. It costs nothing. It costs nothing. We don't need to drag this house in this. Can you please stand up and apologize?
Right, Honorable and honorable members, if I hurt you in any way, I regret.
Procedure.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.